Hi, in this video, I'll walk you through the Connectly API project I built using Django REST framework.
Think of it as the engine behind a social media app. It doesn't have the flashy UI, but it handles all the logic, creating accounts, posting, commenting, and keeping things secure. A system like this is what makes apps like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram actually work. Social app needs structure. Without clear rules, anyone could edit anyone's content, flood the system with fake posts, or slow it down with too many requests. The challenge is how do you keep it fair, safe, and fast? I built three main building blocks. First is post, second, comments, and third, likes. This structure means every piece of content is tracked properly, who created it, when, and who interacted. So that's the foundation of any social platform. Then I made sure the system was safe and clear. Serializers check that fields aren't empty or invalid. Here's an example. So this validation makes sure a post can't be saved without a real title. So that keeps the platform clean and avoids blank or broken posts. Permissions mean you can delete someone else's post. Here's an example. So this permission rule checks if you're the author of a post before letting you edit or delete it. If not, the system blocks you, keeping content safe. So this prevents abuse, protects user data, and avoids messy errors. Views are where the actions happen. You can register and log in. You can create, edit, or delete posts. You can like and comment. And the newsfeed is optimized and paginated. This part shows how a login works. The system checks your username and password, and if valid, gives you a token. So that token is what lets you stay logged in safely. I also use design patterns that make the system cleaner, a logger to keep track of important events, a config manager so settings can be changed in one place, and a post factory that enforces rules. For example, an image must include a file size and a video must have a duration. So this makes the system more organized, flexible, and harder to break. Security is key. I added strong password hashing, token authentication, and SSL settings for production. So that means accounts are harder to track, data is safer, and the system is ready for real world use. Here's a quick demo. I register a user, log in, create a post, like it, and then fetch a personalized feed. This shows the flow you would expect in any modern social app but powered by backend. Here's a quick demo in Postman. First, I log in with my username and password and the API returns a token. Next, I use that token to create a public post. The system saves it and gives me a 201 created response. Then I create another post, but this time with privacy set to private. Finally, I fetch my newsfeed. As you can see, the response includes both public posts and my private post because I'm logged in. So this flow shows how authentication and privacy work together just like in any modern social app. And that's Connectly API, a backend that makes social interaction possible. The real benefit here is it's secure, fair, and extendable, the kind of system you could use to power a startup app or scale to bigger platforms.